Grade 5, we are given a question on percentage error. You know you can solve this. You can try to pause the video, then look at the answer before the solution. Okay, let's go for the question. Now in the question we are given that a computer made a stool with a rectangular top of dimension 24 cm by 32 cm. So we have a computer that made a stool which the top has a breadth and also a length. The length of the rectangular stool is given as 24 cm, while the breadth is given as 32 cm. Okay, going on with the question, it says why the order stipulate a dimension of 25 cm by 30 cm. So it means that other kind of stool is given as the breadth here, the length here. So the breadth here is 30 cm, while the length here is 25 cm. Now that means this is the measurement made by the computer, while the measurement got it from the order of making stool. We call it stipulate. That means the order of making the stool, the order arrangement of making the stool. So that means the computer made an error in his measurement. But let's look at what we have to find. From the question we are told to get the percentage error in the area of the top. You have to be very careful with the word. The make use of the word area. Okay, coming downward, we have that area of a rectangular stool can be written as length times breadth. Now let's get the first rectangle. For the first rectangle, the area for the first rectangle will be A equals to, the length is given as 24 multiplied by 32. And when you use your calculator to do that, that will give you 768 centimeters squared. That is the first rectangle. For the second rectangle, the area will be written as A equals to the length times the breadth. The length of the second rectangle is 25 multiplied by 30. With the help of a calculator, we are going to have the answer to be 750 centimeters squared. Now let's look at the error between the two. Error between the first and the second and the fourth rectangle. Recall, if I want to find the value of percentage error, it always equals to error over the actual multiplied by 100%. So now we need to get the value of our error first. The error given for us from the value will be the wrong value minus the actual value. The wrong value is 768 minus the actual value, which is 750 centimeters squared. Now when I try to subtract 768 by 750, I'm going to have my answer to be 18 centimeters squared. So this is the error made by the computer. Now that we've gotten the error, we can now apply it to get our percentage error. Getting our percentage error, we are going to have the error, which is 18 centimeters squared, divided by what? The actual value is 750 centimeters squared, multiplied by 100%. Now with the help of our calculator, we have 18 divided by 750. We're going to end up having 0.024. Then you're trying to multiply it by 100. When you multiply 0.024 by 100, you're going to have your answer to be 0.024 multiplied by 100 is 2.4. 2.4%. So this was the error made by the computer. Let's check our option whether we have similar answer. Coming down to the option stands as option C. Option C represents the right answer. If you get that right, that's a thumb up.